this video, we're going to work with backgrounds and themes. When creating your own theme, a good place to start is with the backgrounds of your slides. You could toss an image or a color for each slide, or stick with just white, or you can work with those master slides. You can work on specific layout slides or just pick one and apply your settings to all slides. Let's start with a single slide. For this, we're going to use images. So start by selecting the image you want. I've already saved a nice one online using free image sites, which I'll link in the description below. Remember, anything you can place on a master can't be moved when you're viewing the slides normally. So if you want to just place an element like an image how you want it and send it behind all the other things, that's fine. Another way to set the background is on the Slide Master tab. Select Background Styles, Format Background. This will open the Format Background palette or window. And here you can use Solid Fill for one color, Gradient Fill for fading from one color to another, Picture or Texture, fairly straightforward, and Pattern Fill. So like before, to set an image, select the image to insert, but then click on this Apply to All button at the bottom. See how it made the background the same on all the slides? So those are two ways to set backgrounds on master slides in PowerPoint. I hope you learned something helpful. Be sure to like the video if you did, leave a comment if you have more tips or your own questions, and subscribe for more content like this. Till next time, guys, catch you on planning.